All right, so Intel is at $60.74 with a market cap of 246.73 billion. So not a whole lot of news going on right now with Intel, but there is one interesting news article that just came out, and I hope this person gets busted. They never get busted for this. This is totally insider trading, and I'll leave this up to you. Please comment down below if you think this is insider trading, and I hope they get busted. But whenever something like this happens, they don't get busted. The government gives them a free pass. The SEC doesn't bust them. So let's take a look at this. So Delaware senator's wife buys Intel stock ahead of Biden's executive order on chip shortage. So if you've watched my previous videos, you'll know that the automakers are currently dealing with a chip shortage, and Biden just is trying to address that because our automakers are being hurt and we're losing money. So the wife of Democratic Delaware Senator Tom Carper purchased shares of semiconductor manufacturer Intel just days before President Biden issued an executive order aimed at addressing the global chip shortage. So Martha and Stacy Carper on February 16th bought up $15,000 of Intel stock. And this is days before Biden signed an executive order calling for a 100-day review that will allow for a quick implementation of policy recommendations to strengthen supply chains for chips and other key products. So essentially, Biden saying, hey, we need to address this issue. We're going to do some reviews and then maybe allow whether it's manufacturing or storage or something, changes are going to happen to this. And it looks like Intel is going to be a key player in this. And I bet you she knew about this, and this is total insider trading. So please comment down below. Let me know your thoughts on this. And yeah, stay on top of this. Do your own research. Have some fun. Make some money.
Video is not financial advice. Any statements made are my views and is for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Do your own research before making any financial investments.